basically what our objective is that the local fruit that we have, many people have been involved in making the local fruit into wine. And this particular process was not legalized, and a proper policy was not in place. So what we did was, in order to promote the local winemaking industry, and also to support the farmers whose products normally would go to waste because they would not be able to sell it in the market, and hence processing it and making it into wine would help the farmers. So keeping these 2-3 objectives in mind, and obviously to get a brand for Meghalaya in terms of tourism also, we had decided that we will legalize the local fruit winemaking industry. And based on that, we came out with a policy where the registrations will take place and licenses will be given to the winemakers, but at a very nominal rate. And the process also is something that we would want it to be very, very simple. But then there were some hurdles that were mentioned by some of the officials, and hence I was referring to those hurdles that were there. But the registration has to be done, because that's the way we will ensure that quality control is there. A list of all the people who are producing is always maintained, and obviously a process of registration so that they are legalized. So those aspects will be there. But say suppose you have to pay 1 lakh, 2 lakh to start some other excise program. The amounts here are in hundreds of thousands of rupees only, maybe a few thousand. So it will be very, very nominal. So that's the whole idea. But registration is compulsory. Otherwise we will not be able to track and will not be able to certify the particular manufacturer, and hence that process will be required.
Instrument banyak dalam program nilai kini ki pulau cumi kula di homemade wine, and at the same time mending ala yo ban senior na yo officer cumi yo ba kinang bon ki bampat yo ki license. Ina kita kedau ngala discuss ba di chief minister ni ba ngin kilat kilati kuno ban relax no ya kini ke procedure ke process of getting a license ya kini ki homemade wine. Ya kini ngin see the steps, but kunjung ingin syang ban speed up as much as possible nang ba kini ki local homemade wine in yo ya license nang kunjung poro kini yo ban ayu showcase kini ki staff jungi kini ki juga mi products ta kadang ji kwa jungi. So nalen jungi ke excise department ni senior ban ai kumple ya kini ki all the homemade wine kila ya le ha plus kunjung ngidang kwa ban I mentang ila I perfect way kila don. Another 40-50 are still left. Ya kini ki sampai umur ki bedang sa nga request ki bikin one shikmat ban le ke license betul ban min syang rupan le ki mat betul kam na kalian jungi ban speed up file jungi sa kita ji kwa junga de ye ta kan ulong tang da ke jungi lang jungi.
Di bentang ni layak license sudah macam sekarang. Di first kita akan kita formalities yang penting mah dan brand registration itu. Di nadu bagi yo license di long kelak kam improve harga ni business ini dulu. Entah pe ada registration, ada yo license. Ni lala ban bu hakis wine stores. Di kini production kan dia bina di long Tiba-tiba mah di laban wan kid nangi. Sebentar pada dengan alaban bu for wine stores. Lalu kata rumah lagi dan ki colleagues ni ki balala bantu di Taj Hotel, 5-star hotel. So layak more exposure kan. Dia bagi dan more exposure dapat ki items ni ki products ni ki dan haki tekan. Kemudian more people can buy them. Di long ke business jong ni kalau ladon kata ke boost.
Ngiru Mr. Long Gede improve dan kam dan jam mo ilang sedang ni COVID and ka objective jengir ko day ba to preserve the food and like the fruits and way pat ka day to generate employment mo samtam ni bung kisamla mamta kila ngap truck day ing ba ka jing sedang kam la jong penin sa pat mai ki way ba ka dan kelat ini gede kelat apa yang kena samla sedang kamu jam na mungkin involve like involve ki activity that's new the way take along ka financial support itu meningkong nomor without financial support lang sedang nomor ngabiti perlu jong abe sedang ni kan ni sem jing ba nomor mo nomor gimla man demi production ka kumpun kan nomor ka financial support kalau kata ka first challenges jing face pat juru mensyang yang patitu ikin ngrap dan nong jenjar bang esok nomor yang patitu kita dan ada ling lang ngrap
the first of its kind, it's a model fruit winery. It's the first of its kind in the Northeast and probably in the country also, because there's no such winery that has been set up by the government to train people. Most of the training wineries are in the private sector, but this is the first one that has been set up in the government sector, and it's been set up in the IHM, Institute of Hotel Management here in Shillong. And the IHM now in Shillong is the first winery in the country to have, so the first Institute of Hotel Management in the country to have its own winery, where they will be teaching a full-fledged course on making wines. So it will be part of the also syllabus, and they'll be issuing, they'll be conducting certificate courses. So right now those courses are being conducted by the Meghalaya Farmers Commission. But going forward from now on, they'll be the IHM will be doing the trainings for winemakers and other students.